Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create custom code snippets in Visual Studio Code. Whether you're looking to save time or automate repetitive tasks, this feature will supercharge your productivity. Let's dive right in. Code snippets in VSCode are pre-written pieces of code that you can quickly insert into your files. They're perfect for common tasks like writing boilerplate code or repetitive functions. And the best part, you can create your own custom snippets for any language. First, open Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows. Type Snippets and select User Snippets. Now you can choose to create a snippet for a specific language like JavaScript, Python, or C#, or you can create a global snippet file to use across all file types. For this video, I'll create a snippet for JavaScript. Once the snippet file opens, you'll see a JSON structure. Here's how you can define your custom snippet. Prefix is the shortcut you'll type to trigger the snippet. Body is the actual code. You can use placeholders like $1. Variables for dynamic values, dot and description is optional but helpful if you forget what the snippet does. After you've added your custom snippet, save the file using Ctrl plus S. Now, go back to your editor, type the prefix, in this case clog, and hit Tab. Your snippet expands instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to create custom code snippets in VS Code. This simple trick will save you tons of time and make your coding workflow so much smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more coding tips, and let me know in the comments what snippet you'll create first. See you in the next one.